Okay, so as you can see here, I've managed to show on the front of the four-wheeler, get the black or the red plastic off. So you just have to sort of look around for all the attachment points. Not a big deal. The Honda doesn't make it very difficult anyway. And you can see I've got it sitting over here on the bench, and I've kind of purposely brought over one of the side pieces, and you can see with that off of there, you've got a lot of extra space here to run the vinyl up in and underneath there, so that instead of just if you leave that all on there, you cut the vinyl with a razor blade, and maybe you'd be able to see some of the red, maybe you wouldn't, I don't know. But the way I'm doing it, the vinyl will run way up underneath here, and the black plastic, when it goes back on, will definitely cover over all of that. While I have this off of here, this will make it a lot easier. I'm just going to flip this over, and you'll be able to see I'm just going to grind off the back side of those pop rivets and take those placards off of there, and like I said, reinstall them later on. Now what you'll see me doing is I have figured out this plastic is very light, and when you're using this vinyl, you kind of really need to be able to stretch it, pull on it, and if your plastic isn't attached to the four-wheeler, then you've got to come up with a way to do that. So from some of the smaller pieces that I've done already, and I'll show you them when it's all done, it was a little bit of a learning process, and I came up with a way to do it. But what I'm going to do with this bigger piece is, once I get it all ready, I'm actually going to set it back on the four-wheeler and may put a few of the screws that hold it in place back into place, and just actually do it while it's on the four-wheeler. But again, all the plastic is out of my way. I took these side pieces off, and there was all kinds of dirt and stuff that had to come out of there. And again, I really needed to take it off all the way for the most part in order to get this accessory, this 12-volt accessory thing out of there, which it came out easily enough, but it was, pretty much had to detach it all the way, and that made it easier for me to, again, clean it up and get these rivets out of there. So I'm going to do that now.